So here we're tightening up the toilet here. Not tightening up the toilet, we were going to shim it because it had been rocking back and forth. The bolt was not holding on the left side, so we pulled the toilet, and of course you can see the flange is broken. We don't like these, we don't use these. It's got slots on 4 sides, which takes away from the rigidity of the flange itself. So what we're going to have to try and do is take a ring and cap this off, mount it to the floor. Not sure how it's going to go because we have to use Tapcon anchors to screw it in, so hopefully we'll be able to cap this off with a new flange and get the toilet reset. Anyways, we just wanted to video document this first. This side's, you can see it's bent up and it's ready to go, so there's no way you can mount. The way these are supposed to work is you would take this flange, instead of, you can see where they have it bolted right here in the middle, you would take this flange and spin it all the way until this point is dead center of toilet. That way it picks up this edge of the plastic to help anchor. But anyways, we're gonna get started on this and see what we can do, and then we'll take another video when we're done. So we're still here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a repair flange on here. The original flange is plastic, and unfortunately it's got a 3-inch inside opening. So normally what we would do, down further it's all 4-inch. It's a 3x4 closet bin, but then they glue the flange on, and it keeps you from gluing a new flange in, which helps support it, and then also putting new screws in. So the flange was broken from here to here on both sides, and we took a video of that. You can see that in the first part. What we've got is, we've got some little screws here to help help keep it in place while we're drilling holes. These are little, just 1-inch self-tapping screws, so we just have tapped through, drilled holes through the flange and mounted it to the plastic. So that helps keep the flange down. The main holding points are here though, because this is where the toilet bolts to. So we've got some 2 or 2.5-inch Tapcon screws on each side, anchoring it into cement, and then 2 over here. And that's where all the pulling point is going to be, right here. There's no pulling point over here. This is just where the wax sits. But we did go ahead, we've got you 4 screws on each side, these little self-tappers, just to hold it down. So it's nice and tight. It's a little high, so we might have to get creative when we put the wax ring in here. But anyways, the repair is done, and we'll get the toilet reset, and we'll take another video when we're done.